So, I am in Bangalore. I have to meet two different sets of people. That's why I'm here. I'm not here for a very long time this time. And yeah, I'll show you how my weekend goes here in Bangalore and whom I meet and what I do. So, welcome to my Bangalore vlog. So, I'll give you an introduction to what I'm doing today. I'm prepping to welcome home a friend for an entire day. She's going to come and she's going to stay here, and then tomorrow she's going to leave. So this friend, there's an interesting story. So I have an online course where I teach people how to become social media managers, and this girl was in the first ever batch, and she is from Bhopal, and we've never met, but we've been online friends for a year now. We started off as a coach and a student, and then we're also like very good friends. So she has some other work in Bangalore for which she's coming down, and I told I'm going to be there to welcome you to my city. So yeah, her work starts from tomorrow. She's coming to Bangalore a day early, spend some time with me. So yeah, I'm super excited to have her home. And in fact, I'm meeting her for the first time, so I'm actually very excited as well. Yeah, she has already boarded her flight from Bhopal. She should be here in another 3 to 4 hours maximum. So yeah, my mom and I are actually cooking lunch for her. My mom has done the major stuff. I'm just cutting a few vegetables. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I took a shower and my friend has boarded the cab from the airport, and I'm tracking every minute of her arrival because I'm super excited to see her for the first time. You know the time she boarded the flight at around 9:40 and she reached by 11:40. So she took about 2 hours to come from Bhopal to Bangalore, but from Bangalore she will need about 1.5 hours to reach my house. That is the reality of Bangalore and Bangalore's traffic. Of course, it's for me to live here, it's a little bit of a task. I wouldn't say it's impossible. I can live anywhere. I take pride in talking about that. But it's a little bit of a task to, spend so much time on road inside the city itself. But she is texting me and telling me that your city is beautiful, and yeah. I'm sitting here and waiting in the front of my gate. So Lippy bought me this. So I'm seeing what it is. I'm very excited to open gifts on this. So, Lippy Sharma is here and we both are now ready with our masks on. We're heading to Lal Bagh. So, I am showing her Lal Bagh of Bangalore. All the Bangaloreans, let me know in the comment section below if I chose the right place because we have only one day. I don't know what else to show her. And probably we'll eat something nice in and around that area. We're waiting for our cab now and I'm super excited. What about you?
Very excited. We went to Lal Bagh, and since Lippy loves the garden and nature and birds chirping, I felt like this is the best I could show her in Bangalore within just a day's time. We were not allowed to use the camera inside, so here are a few videos and pictures Lippy took from her phone. This, by the way, is my school. Everything about my school life is probably an entire video for like some other day. So let's move ahead with ice cream. We came to New Art Cafe in Koramangala to eat. I actually intended to take her to like a proper South Indian restaurant where we could order some dosa and idli and puliyogre, but they were all slightly crowded and Lippy was quite getting paranoid, so we chose a cafe that didn't have a lot of people.
After all the fun and everything, we are back to my home. Lippy is leaving tomorrow at 8 a.m. So yeah, it's just been a crazy happy day for us. Hi, good morning. It's day 2 in Bangalore and Lippy is all set to leave. दिख रहे हो. I'm going downstairs to leave her to the cab and sitting down to do some work today. So I just bid goodbye to Lippy and now I have to do some work. I have some YouTube related work to check some videos and schedule some videos, and then I have some client work. But I also got some period cramps, so I should see what I can do in this time. I have so much work to do, but sometimes cramps can get the best out of me. I decided to lie down for a bit. I have some work that I can do on my phone, so I'm doing that while I lie down, and then I'll probably go to sleep for an hour or so and then wake up and finish some of the other work that I have. So that's how I spend the days that I have my periods. Lying down, annoyed, and yeah, like any other girl. So my cramps are slightly better now. I have a few things to finish, so I thought why not just sit down and get some work done. I feel like this is the best part of my work and my business, that I do have the liberty to change my working hours, to change when I want to work. I can push some things off if it's not that urgent. I know cramps and all, but when it's time to leave, I somehow make myself ready and I leave. I'll tell you next what I do for my cramps. Works most of the time. So I'm heading out to meet my college friends. It's been so long that we all got together. I've met them all in person, just one person each, but I've not met them all together. Today most of them are coming. I think only 1 or 2 are not coming, and we're all having like a gang catch up. It's going to be so much fun. And yeah, today I'm wearing this black t-shirt and I'm having this black bag that my teammate gifted me. Anusha, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I absolutely love this. Yeah, that's it. Let me take you with me. So there is this Arishta that I drink when I have periods, and I sleep off after drinking this, probably a tablespoon of this, and then I sleep off, and most of the cramps just disappear when I wake up. I'm not a doctor, I'm not anybody, but just what works for me. Sharing just what works for me. And I'm back home. So good morning. It is Saturday morning. I finished my breakfast and I'm again back to my bed because I'm feeling very like uncomfortable, lazy, bored, I don't know what, but I do have work to do. I just onboarded a new client yesterday, so I have to rush to finish a couple of things for this new client. I am excited always to work for new clients, but again, since I'm down with cramps and all, I'm just a little I'm just procrastinating to start the work. But however, I know I have to do it. Today I don't have a lot of plans, but in the evening I might go out a little bit with my mom. But yeah, just that. Have a great weekend maybe. So I'm going out now to help my sister learn two-wheeler. I'll take you through that as well. Meanwhile, I am just like walking behind her, and in fact sometimes like running behind, making sure she is not falling or crashing into somebody. That is it for Bangalore. It is Sunday and it's 4 a.m. We're ready to leave. Actually, yesterday after working, I didn't vlog a little bit of what happened in the evening. I went to my sister-in-law's house and yeah, I met them after 2 years because they were in Germany. And it was really nice seeing them and I ate pani puri and all of that. But yeah, I didn't vlog it because it was personal. That's it. I think I'm going to drive a little bit back home. And my dad is going to drive a little bit, but we both are actually sleep deprived. So let's see who's going to drive which part of the drive. ए ऐसे बोलते हैं क्या वीडियो में?